Hi, I'm Anna Dabrowski. I'm NESLI's Director of Education and Evaluation, and I'll be speaking at our Transforming Australian Schools conference this year. My presentation is going to be around the impact of relationships on wellbeing. Now, we talk about wellbeing a lot. We talk about meditation, mindfulness. We don't talk about relationships as much. In schools, relationships are so important, not only with our students, but with each other as well. And they also have a large impact on our mental health and our participation. We can see an increasing number of educators dropping out of the workforce, and teacher attrition continues to increase in Australia. In this session, we're going to talk a little bit around those relationships, how we build our relationships, how we engage, and how we get better at supporting each other in schools. I look forward to seeing you there.